Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting 42. This is issue number 354 on eCatherder/EIP GitHub repository. On agenda, we have a few last call, few review, and some draft proposals to be looked into. We have a couple of miscellaneous proposals as well. So we will get started. Thank you, Sam, for joining us today. And yeah, I see you already are sharing your screen, so we can take it from there. The first PR we are discussing is 498, and we are joined by the proposer of this pull request as well, 0x.
Sure. All right. So you're just looking for a review, or did you have any particular questions?
Just look for reviews, no questions.
Okay. Next switch appears. These time-based events. All right. It's proposal. Right, such a Okay. Uh, all right. Okay. So I guess my first question for this is, why does this need to be a standard as opposed to just a library that somebody can import in Solidity?
I think that there's a lot of protocols using these as of now, and it'd be nice to give it a name, a standard, where people could use the same thing instead of random different contracts with different arithmetic logics. But I guess you're right. This could be a library, yes. And hence, my question is, what does it? How can we differentiate a library from a ERC? Is the amount of functions?
No. So the rule we use for this is so imagine you have like two different parties that need to interoperate with each other. So, like for example, you have an ERC20 token and you have wallets. Every wallet wants to support every ERC20, and every ERC20 wants to be supported in every wallet. But there's not really communication between the authors of ERC20 tokens and of wallets. So that's a good place for a standard because you have these independent people who need to coordinate on the same interface. Whether it's one function or a million functions, it doesn't really matter. It's just this idea that these independent parties need to coordinate without communicating with each other. In this case, the I guess token or project or whatever that needs this kind of curve can just go and find a curve library and add it, and they don't need to interoperate with like a dozen different curve libraries. They just choose the curve that they want to use. They read the documentation for that library, and they're good to go. You don't need to connect together like, my token uses any curve. It uses a particular curve, and because it uses a particular curve, it doesn't need to talk to n different curve implementations. So that's kind of the yardstick we use for determining if something is a library or a standard, is whether two parties need to talk or multiple parties need to talk to each other without coordinating. And in this case, I just don't see that. I think like this might be a good idea to add to Open Zeppelin, because they have a lot of these kind of utility things, and I think that would be a much better fit for this.
Dude, I think this explanation was amazing. Thank you so much for it.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Um,
I think it makes total sense, yes.
Okay, cool.
Everything is set.
Great. Well, that makes this easy then. Thank you.
So are we gonna close this one or wanna keep it open for any reason?
I'm going to close it. Um, all right.
So the next one, we are joined by the proposer for PR 500 in ERC.
Hey guys.
Hey. So did you have any particular questions or are you just looking for a review?
I'm asking to join it to draft because yeah, I think it's plenty mature for that. And the only problem I have is that CI is failing with an error that we cannot debug. But
Sure,
yeah,
I'll
basically that's it.
take a look. So everything's good here.
The first one, check label.
Yeah, it's not required. It won't stop you from merging.
Okay.
Yeah, it just needs an approval from an
Cool.
editor. So I'll give this a look. Give me 1 second. Just need to change where I'm sitting. Okay. Fees providing the relative value of assets. Something like that. Yeah, okay. Okay. This asset. Okay, good. That looks great. Okay. Mm,
You mean that for the title? Okay. Cool.
Yep. It's easy. Returns. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Good. Okay. So that is going to be kind of annoying. So I'll have to come back on this, but yeah, if it's free to access, then we can allow links to it. It's just there's a bit of process we have to go through. That looks good. Yeah, everything else looks great. You can fix this whenever. Doesn't
Yeah,
have to be right now.
I can do it right now. It's not a problem.
Yeah, it'll be the same for all of these as well, like the errors. And then so okay, how can we do this quickly? I'll just merge this now.
Okay.
Um, but it like so the correct thing to do here is link to this ISO standard, but the bot won't let you. So
Okay.
here, I'll just put a note in here.
Is that in AP1? Wow. Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to like if it's free to access, there's no reason to not
Mhm.
allow a link to it. So yeah, we'll fix that. Um, this is probably going to complain. There we go. Do it again. Awesome. Nice and easy. Okay.
So,
So where are we off to now, Pooja?
Sam, we
Thank
are
you.
joined by someone who is requesting for a review of a different repository, EIPW. If we want to take it later on, we can perhaps check it later on and continue with our last calls. But
Sure.
it's your
Works for
call.
me. Yeah.
Okay. All right, then let's take the last call one, and you may review the EAPW whenever you get a chance. By the way, Alicia, IJA, if you have any question in specific, you can perhaps drop it in the chat. All right, yeah, we can look
Yeah,
for the,
sorry.
yeah, we can look for the question, but Sam, let's continue with
Yep.
the last call one. Thank you.
All right. Okay, and then that's okay. I can edit you. All right. Edit research property. Okay, so let's start by checking the discussions thread. Nothing interesting here. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any interesting conversations going on. The meditation, Leap 721 and 155, adding a D storage key that provides information about how the NFT data is stored. Okay. It's highly very interesting. Okay. D storage information. Token UI. Okay. Yep. Neat. Okay. Some contracts. Okay. So you are. Okay. Sure. That's all it says. Um, cool. 7588. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. Is there anything interesting in here? No. Okay. Let's go and look at your discussions thread. Okay. All right. set for attachment edited blobs. JSON object and placed in the data field of the blob transaction. Okay. All right. And go to the object description, content type. Yeah, that's fine. With the blob. All right. That's the blob transaction data release. Wait. First blob and second blob. Okay. Yeah, that looks fine. So where does this go? This goes in. So okay. So where does this get? Okay. That is represented as JSON. JSON object will look like this. Data field. Okay. Call data. Yep. Okay. And this is fine. Sure. Can't edit this one. Of course I can't edit this one. 7588. 7588. Let's call deadline. Will be 2024-09. 2 weeks from now would be the 3rd.
I suppose we have one more to go.
Sure. Sure, that's right. Yep. And we'll just force merge you because I am an admin. If I can do that. All right. So 7588, and we're on to 461.
I think some of the people have started using your trick of closing and reopening. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Org. Okay. Cool. Let's go and look at this. Good. Let's see if there's any discussions. I don't think there are. June 17th. No, that's fine. Good. Okay. So pretty sure this was fine the last time we reviewed it, except for the interface IDs being wrong. Yeah, I don't think anything's significantly changed here. PR 500, we can go back to that. Hopefully this will still merge. I can reapprove it though.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we can give some more time.
I will make sure of not touching anything else anymore.
So once this finishes, it should merge itself.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll wait patiently and quietly.
Okay, 8802. Oh, this is me. What am I doing here? I don't think this one. No, yeah. I'm just gonna merge this.
So there are two of it, like both are the same thing or a little bit different.
A little bit different. Oh, that is a really nice commit hash. Yeah, so the one of the other ones, so Marius had one, somebody else had a different one, but they both like were trying to do the same thing. So I merged one of those two, and then I added a new PR to move it into review. So that's what we're dealing with here.
Okay, so in that case, the PR made by Marius 8796, do we need that anymore?
Let me check. Probably not. 796. And this is moving to review. Yeah, I don't think we need this one anymore. 3155. Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
Update mechanism versus via system call. This is an EIP. What's wrong with this one? This needs
So this
an
is, I think,
author approval.
Spectra upgrade proposal trying to move into review status.
Yeah, so this just needs. Oh, wait, what? You need. Yeah, so this needs an author approval. Cool. So set 935, so 6789. Move to review. Okay. So this is moving stagnant to review, but I'm guessing. So has this merged yet? No, not yet. So then we look at the history. Alright. So when you move to staging, you are coming up from draft. So we want to move this back to draft first. Alright, so that should merge itself. I'll keep that open just in case. So 7702, oh, my favorite.
All time.
This one just needs a review from me as an author. Oh, that's weird. Why didn't it pick up a match review on this? Or did it pick up match review? Yeah, there's a conflict. Um,
So the other one is 8687. That also shows conflict. I think these two PRs needs to be looked together. 8687.
yeah, this one here.
Mhm.
Yeah, so it just oh, and it needs an author approval. But I can probably do that. She made it okay. Verify that she and okay, yeah, I think that makes sense. But I don't really know 7702 well enough to be able to comment on that, so I won't. All right, 7656. Time to move to review. All right, let's do that. Jones token service delivered to friction services linked to a specific entity. Okay. Variation of 6551 that extends all types of services linked to non-fungible tokens. Okay, get that merged. Perfect. So do explicit request any contract with the plug to implement. I'm just going to choose Singleton. Do the centralization of services, project builder are prone to consider edge contract. Okay, new generic registry that uses generic function event name shall have component of any kind of contract associated with T. Okay, that makes sense. And it's been no expectation to be deployed as a singleton, allowing any project to adjust if it needs. Supports the okay. Cool, that's a nice description. So now we're saying okay, so the following structure. Okay, wait. Should implement the um, oops, it's not done. Well, line 120. Okay. There's no function names. Yep, good, that's fine. Those are all explaining things. Reference implementation. Cool, there's some code there. I guess I was done. Nice. 7656 208. Okay, let's review from. I can do that. All right, on-chain data container. See intro. If I abstract and launch a voice and storage. Okay, I'm using interfacing with not contracts with data objects. Information starting data objects can be accessed, modified, and implemented by contracts from data manager. Here I see the interface and separation of storage and data. This sounds like some Java shit. Data points, data managers. Yeah, like these are like, I forget what they're called. Oh well. But yeah, this makes sense. It's the theme, this process. Okay. Data index implementation, data point Okay, do dictionaries that says. This is not that. Okay, should use the. Okay, and then okay. Two, 7, 2, 8. Okay. This picture here. It's pretty good. And we will comment on that. And then go here. Yeah, there's actually quite a bit of discussion. It's cool. All right. Okay, good. 7208. And this is the I literally just clicked on it. So
for this, oh, I think I made a mistake. I thought there are 2 PRs, but I duplicated it. No problem.
no, no worries. let's see, what is this? This is this is EIPs, and they're making it. Yeah, this is okay. Change the order of chanting and verifying contract address. There's an error in signature verification with the current sample code. It's necessary to change the order of bytes, chain ID, and address list to comply with. Okay. Alright. 63,000. Okay, so let's look at E712. And then we look at the domain type hash. So domain separated. Okay. The questions are going to doesn't make sense. See, and these fields are left out of the struct tag. Okay. Should be in the order as above, skipping any absent fields. Okay, so name version chain ID. Name version, so the new one is more correct. User agent should accept fields in any order as specified by the EIP. Is that a typo? EIP 712 is like one of the worst. It is a typo. I guess I'm gonna fix that while we're here. Oops. Okay. EIP T. Any other instances of that? No. Okay, so we'll make a pull request for that. Typo. All right. So the IP 712 domain type hash is this, which is name version, chain ID, address verifying contract. Yes, this makes sense, but I'm assuming this is a final EIP 2009. No, it's stagnant. Oh, okay. So that's easy enough. Technically should probably be moved back into draft. I'm assuming it used to be a draft. Draft. Okay. First this. Here and we can approve this. Okay, cool. 2009.
So I think the next one is EUF proposal coming from obviously EUF team.
All right, so this is an EIP. Good. Right. So this is coming in as a draft. Or is this? Yeah, this is a draft. EMF EU trains updates being shown to add US support. Okay, cool. Updates, transfers, and transfers. Let's just see. So again, object format, that's number of features, and okay. Pipeline differential fusing, keep train okay. Recording and providing this specification, the entire tracing specification will be presented with the applications in line rather than instead of differences will be highlighted for that. Okay. This is going to be a complicated one, I'm sure. So those are in JSON. Okay. Then, okay. Output. The client outputs one JSON object per EVM operation executed. The client must not output multiple lines for the same operation execution. Right. Must not output a line for the stop operation if an error occurred or if the contract runs out of instructions. Okay. Each object contains the following numbers. Okay. Okay. So PC. Yeah. Okay. Argument. Okay. Cool. PC that's all good. Summary of the execution account to print summary info. Summary must be. This info should have the following members. Okay. With future, system trace and trace. Okay. Compatibility, client submitting JSON for uncontained legacy contracts. Okay, so on below. Okay, immediate levels of supervisor infrastructure operations. Let this change. Okay. Okay. So we need the. Oh, did I disconnect there? Crap.
You're good.
Okay. Oh, that's not an equal one. That's annoying. So, dot, not that one. W.tom. There we go. Okay. Okay. Security considerations. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. So we will comment this. Cool. So I guess we're off to P2P History Network.
There are two proposals, like 8629 and 8630. Both are from Portal Network team.
Okay. So P2P Network. Okay. So do oh, I did review this one. Okay. Let's take a look. 7188 is probably the other one. Just gonna guess. 777. Yeah, okay. So do you have a circular dependency? Because that's annoying. You don't. Okay, so we'll start with this one then. The generic framework over Disk 5, which allows new overlay protocols to be built without re-implementing DHT primitives. Disk 5 is just one. What do I want? Yeah, that's nice. Disk 5 is implemented many. Top ones. Well, there's no content here. Like there's no reason to have an EIP if the whole specification section is
Empty. Or
yeah,
to- That's right. Maybe we can add that as a comment. I don't know.
yeah.
It's most of the time we are listening, editors are not reviewing. I think we need to let them know what is missing there.
Those specifications are just about instead. Okay, so with that, like that, that means is this the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing. So, all right. Wallet assign intended validator data. Okay. Wallet assign intended validator. Obviously, you to assign data with intended validator address according to ERC 191 version 00. Okay, that's great. Send was having sign type data, structured approach. This option seems complex. Seen and three versions. One branch using the RPC call for 0. Intended validator address. Okay. Signature validator address. The value is prefix to malicious option setting arbitrary data. Okay. Okay. So, phones. Okay. So, now, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Get approved. Cool. Neat. Was there anything else we needed to look at today, Fuji?
We covered everything here today. I'm so
Awesome.
Yeah, I mean, we would be looking into it in the meeting tomorrow. I think we have came up with the draft of like the response time, the number of reviews by editors that we have discussed in the past. So I
Oh,
would
okay.
get your feedback on those stuff.
Cool. Yeah.
Thank you, Sam. I think it has been a productful 1 hour for like we covered everything listed here. See you
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Great. See you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sam. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.